What's good, Hilux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together. Check it out. Whoa! Whoa, that just made YouTube. And welcome back to the channel, Hilux fans. Today, this video is about trying to unstick a fuel pump or fuel pumps. So what's actually happening here is I've made progress. I've gotten the fuel pumps and surge tank out of the donor car, and I've reinstalled that. Doesn't that look good under here? Oh my god, it's looking awesome. I've installed that just over here. So what we're running here is the original Hilux tank, which has been modified with this lift pump that sucks fuel out of the tank. Fuel comes out here through the lift pump and then goes bang up there into the surge tank, and then out of the surge tank that other fuel pump pushes it up to the front. But these are not working. When you connect the power to these, they just make a clunk noise because they've been sitting over there in that thing for 2 years and they've dried out, and I believe that they've gummed up. So we're going to try two methods today to get these working. The first method we're going to try is an 18 volt battery. I think it says 18 volts. So normally they're 12 volts. We'll put 18 volts on these pumps and see if that breaks them free. And if that doesn't work, I've got this jar. I'm going to fill this up with acetone that I got from the chemist. I told him I got a bit of a meth lab operation happening and I need some acetone. They were cool with that. So I've got some acetone and we'll use that in this jar and see which one works. Alright, so I've set up in the shed. Here's your fuel pump. Oh, they're live. This is a regular battery, and have a listen. Hear that thump thump noise? That's all it does. Alright, Team Hilux, what we've done here is vice gripped our power cables onto the battery terminals. Now I've got a bit more get up and go. And what we'll do is put these on here. Well, it's more vigorously trying, but it's not breaking free. Let's try the other one. Here's the other pump. Whoa. Not spinning. All right, team. I'm actually quietly confident that this acetone will make short work of the gumminess that's in there. So we're going to tip a little bit in, squeeze it back and forth through the pump with this little bit of rubber bladder that I've made, and see if we can free this up. There we go. This is how you cook, man. Straight that through. Still only a little bit out of this bottle's made it through the pump. Dilution is the solution. Oh, look at that. We're in business. We've got a full bladder now of acetone. Alright, so we're shaking the pump out. Let's have a little bit of a play. See what we've got now. No dice, it's still stuck. The other method is meant to be tapping it, so this pump's stuffed. Let's see if we can make the other one work. Alright guys, I got them both working. Check it out. Whoa! Whoa, that just made YouTube. And the other one, it spins, but you know, I don't know if this one sounds like it's working properly. And you know what? I'm gonna buy new fuel pumps because I just want them to be reliable. But if you're in a pinch and you need to make them work, hitting them with a hammer, putting acetone through them, cranking up the voltage, and dropping them on the floor a few times, that seems to be the trick. I'll see you in the next one. Happy Hiluxing.